Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. If you're selling on eBay now and you're not using promoted listings, you could be missing out on a lot of extra sales. In this video, I'll show you how to increase your views to sell more on eBay by implementing promoted listings. And the good news is, unlike conventional advertising, promoted listings cost nothing if your item does not sell. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula and author of Dropshipping 0 to 7 figures in 6 months. So what exactly is eBay promoted listings? In a nutshell, eBay allows you to pay from 1% of an item's sell price to have eBay promote a listing and put it higher up in the eBay search results so it gets more views. So for example, if you're listing an item on eBay that has a sell price of say $100, you can pay from $1 to have eBay place your listing higher up the search results. And eBay also shows your listing in adverts, as I'll show you. With eBay, like Google, YouTube and other search engines, the higher up the search results that your listings appear, the more views that the listing gets. The more views, the more sales. In the industry, views are also called impressions. An impression is when somebody searches for an item on eBay and your listing appears in their search results. That is called an impression, as I'll show you. By promoting a listing on eBay, eBay puts your listings higher up in the search results so it gets more views, and eBay also shows your listings in adverts all over the eBay platform. For example, if I do a search on eBay for say diesel heater, you can see that the first 2 listings that appear at the top of the eBay search results are sponsored, which means they're promoted or PPC listings. In fact, the first 4 listings for this keyword, diesel heater, are sponsored promoted listings. Now, if I click on any one of these listings or any other listing and scroll through the listing, in several places eBay shows me similar sponsored items. These similar sponsored item advertisements appear all over eBay, and also your listings can also be shown by eBay on non-eBay search engines like Google and also on eBay partner websites like Gumtree, etc. One of the great things with eBay promoted listings compared to other types of advertising like say PPC or pay-per-click advertising is eBay only charges a promoted listing fee if and when the item sells. If the item does not sell, eBay does not charge you the promoted listing fee. There's not many other types of advertising out there that does not charge you if the item does not sell. The fee to promote a listing on eBay is variable from 1%, and you choose the maximum percentage that you're willing to pay, as I'll show you. And you only charge that fee if a buyer purchases the item within 30 days of clicking your promoted listing. Okay, here is how to promote a listing. First, go to your active listings. To do that, go to My eBay, Selling, Sold, then Listings Active, and now you'll be able to see your listings. Note that one of the columns says Promoted Listings, and also notice the link for each listing that says Promote. I'll click on the word Promote, and eBay shows me this box with a slider at the top right. Next, slide the slider to the right, and now eBay allows you to choose a dynamic ad rate where eBay automatically charges you a percentage, or you can select the fixed ad rate. For this demonstration, I'll select fixed ad rate. Here, eBay allows me to set the amount that I'm willing to spend to promote this one listing. In this example, eBay is suggesting 5.7%. Now, from our tests, by accepting the suggested rate, you'll normally see an increase of impressions by over 50%, often as high as 70%. Going 1 or 2 points higher than the suggested rate can give you an increase of impressions by over 150%. Now, one big thing to consider first before spending any money on paid advertising like this is that promoting listings to get them high in the search results does not replace simply optimizing the listing in the first place to get it higher in the search results. For example, if a listing is on, say, page 20 of the search results now, then promoting it with, say, a 4% ad spend may only get it to, say, page 5. However, if the listing was optimized first, it could already be on page 1, 2, or 3 before spending any money at all on promoted listings. Then, if you do decide to do the same 4% ad spend, it could take it to position 1 or 2, which can double the impressions and double its sales conversions. If you also want to know how to increase eBay sales by optimizing listings, check out this video up here, and I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give us a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.